Today we talk about how can you find your ROMs or messages on your Plato app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above here or you go down here, click in this sign, then you come to this list here, and there you will find ROMs. Then here you will find here or ROMs or messages you have here in this list, and here can you select or want to or create here can you want to this ROMs here in this list on your Plato app. So that's all you have to do to find your ROMs. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.